Hi everyone, welcome to Kofi Connect. Today I'll be giving a tutorial on how to use our All Forest Products Exports dashboard. So without further ado, let's get to it. So once you log into Kofi Connect, the first thing you'll see is all the available dashboards. Once you click that, it would quickly launch that dashboard. Just take a little moment to load, and once it's loaded, the first page that you'll see is the Canadian Forest Products Export Summary. On the top here, we see various filters that we could filter the data with. We could choose lumber, for example. The origins are the provinces in Canada. We could choose BC. And then the destination is all the countries that we export to. And we could choose the US. We could also slice the data on a yearly basis just to get an overview. And immediately these tables and charts would dynamically update, showing you the volumes and values by year for this particular product. Moving on, this next page is really meant for you to compare products against each other, just kind of giving you an idea of which one dominates through time. And here we have logs, lumber, pulp and paper, and we could also choose veneer, for example. Leaving the origin destinations as is and having the time frames from 2020 to 2024, we immediately already know that lumber is the dominant export product in terms of dollar amounts. Just bear in mind that also 2024 is not a complete year, so then the value is smaller, and what it's showing is just the year-to-date amounts. Moving on to our next page. The next page is global export flows. Here is a page that really is meant for you to look on a map and glance at all the destinations that we export our products to. So on the top here, we have our products, and on the side here, we have our origins. We can look at it on a volume or value basis, and also we have time frames. So for example, we could look at logs, and I'm interested in all origins, meaning Canada. We could look at it on a volume basis, and in 2024, we could see that China was the #1 place in which we export our logs to, with Japan and the US coming from behind. Next page. Next page is the US export flows. This page is meant for you to compare the products and seeing how or where they're getting exported to on a US state level. So for example, we could choose logs. Origin could be, say, Alberta, and we could leave it as 2024, and immediately you could see that the Washington State, Utah, and Montana are the states that Alberta exports its logs to in 2024. The grayed out ones are basically the areas that we don't export to, and you can see a legend here indicating how much or how little we export our particular product to. The last page is time series exports ranking page, and this is a page where we could see through time the various products that we export to each destination. Currently, we have here BC exporting to the European Union, and you could see that through time. You could see lumber and pulp and shakes and shingles as some of the dominant products that we send to the EU, and with the wood pellets coming as of late in the recent years. So that's it. I think that's all the pages that we have for this dashboard. And if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to Kofi Connect, and thank you very much.